Hello everyone, my name is Tejal. I am a part-time German language tutor. Today I'm going to share with you guys 5 career options or job options if you know the German language or if you are interested in learning the German language. So let's begin. The first one is MNC jobs. MNC stands for Multinational Corporation. Basically, an MNC has offices, warehouses or factories in countries other than their hometown. To land a job in a German MNC, you need to complete the B1 level or the B2 level in the German language from a reputed institute, and you also have to do graduation. Now, Deutsche Bank is a great MNC brand to start off your career with. The average starting salary is 27,000 to 30,000 per month. Würth is another company with which you can start off your career with. The average starting salary for a junior buyer is 23,000 to 25,000 per month. Another companies are Sutherland, Accenture, Concentrix, etc. Now these are just some job positions that I'm mentioning. There are many other job positions in these companies. I'll share down the links below for you guys to check out. The second one is tourist guide. The rich and diverse Indian culture has always attracted foreign nationals, and many German tourists visit India. So a tourist guide who knows the German language is always a plus. Now, to be a tourist guide, you need to complete a tourist guide course which is authorized by the Tourism Department of the Government of India, and you also have to complete the B1 level in the German language. Also, you need to pass the course to get a legal tourist guide license, and the average starting salary is 18,000 per month. The third one is interpreter. Another interesting career is that of an interpreter. So an interpreter translates conversations orally between two people. For example, if one person knows German and one person knows English, but they don't know each other's respective languages, then the interpreter comes in and he or she translates the conversation for them. To be an interpreter, you need to complete at least the C1 level or above in the German language, and the average starting salary is 30,000 to 40,000 per month. The fourth one is translator. Now this one is similar to interpreter, but here you have to translate texts or documents from one language to another. Now again, the basic requirement is C1 level or above in the German language, and the average starting salary is 25,000 to 30,000 per month. Now the fifth one is teacher. Now this one is my favorite. There is a high demand of people who know the German language. If you are passionate about teaching, being a German tutor is always a great career option. Even if you guys have done the B1 level, you can start teaching A1, A2 levels. You can try out in some private institutions, or you can put up your profiles on websites such as Superprof or Urban Pro, Teacheron, etc. I'll share down the links below. The average starting pay you will get for this is anywhere between 200 rupees per hour to 400 rupees per hour. So these were the 5 career options if you are interested in learning the German language. I will share down all the necessary links below. Also, if this video was in any way helpful to you guys, please like this video, share this video, and do not forget to follow the Intellectual Bees on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.